Before beginning the installation, check to verify that you have all parts present according to the bill of material located on the first page of the instructions. If something is missing, call tech support at 1-800-486-0999. Locate your vehicle's battery and disconnect the negative battery cable. This resets the computers and clears old airflow data to prevent errors. Loosen the hose clamps on the throttle body using an 8mm socket. Unclip and remove the stock breather tube from the stock air duct. Unplug the mass airflow sensor. Remove the stock air intake from the vehicle. Remove the mass airflow sensor from the stock air duct using a T15 Torx bit. Trim the provided template by cutting along the dashed lines. Align and tape the template to the edge of the shroud. Outline the inner rectangle section that will be cut from the shroud and remove the template. Cut the shroud along the line you just marked. We recommend using a roofing blade or regular razor blade to make the cut. Do not use power tools. Attach the mass airflow sensor to the Corsa airbox with the supplied gasket and screws. Ensure that the arrow on the mass airflow sensor is pointing towards the throttle body. Insert the Corsa airbox, with the center scoop attached, into the vehicle through the trimmed shroud opening. Attach and tighten the Pro 5 filter to the Corsa air duct using an 8mm socket. Attach the supplied reducer hose to the throttle body with one supplied number 72 clamp and one supplied number 64 clamp. Insert the Corsa air duct into the Corsa airbox and attach using supplied truss head screws and rubber washers. Insert the end of the Corsa air duct into the reducer hose on the throttle body. Tighten the clamps on the throttle body and Corsa air duct using an 8mm socket. Plug in the mass airflow sensor. Remove the passenger's side valve cover by pulling up and releasing the grommets from the studs. Remove and replace the stock breather hose with the supplied breather hose, then attach it to the Corsa air duct. Reinstall the valve cover and oil cap. Slide the supplied straight sleeve onto the Corsa side scoop along with two supplied number 60 clamps. Insert the Corsa side scoop with the straight sleeve attached into the vehicle and onto the Corsa airbox. Tighten the clamps using an 8mm socket. Repeat these steps for the Corsa scoop on the other side. Reconnect the battery cable. Now start up the car. Close the hood and enjoy. Before road testing, start engine, leaving the transmission in park and securing the parking brake. Make sure to look and listen for any unusual noises or air leaks. Repair problems if needed. Once completed, it will be necessary to check periodically after a few heat cycles for a realignment and tightening of all connections. This system is not street legal in California and other states adopting CA emission standards. Corsa recommends saving your factory system. For replacement filters, reference a filter part number and call 440-891-0999 or toll free 1-800-486-0999.